Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from ClickUp. Logging out of ClickUp application is quick and easy. First of all, launch open the ClickUp app on your device, and once you're inside the home screen of ClickUp, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left corner, right in front of your workspace's name. This will open up Profile and Settings. Go to the bottom of the screen and look for the Logout button and tap on it, and you'll immediately log out of your ClickUp account. Always log out of your account if you're using a shared or public device to keep your account secure. So that's how you easily log out of ClickUp application, whether you are using your mobile device or your tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.